Dear brothers and sisters, in today's reminder we reflect on something very important in family life. Differences of opinion, emotional distance, and small arguments between husband and wife can slowly disturb the peace of a home. At times, even minor issues grow into deeper wounds in the heart. In such situations, what can we do to restore love, calmness, and understanding in our relationships? There is a beautiful and powerful spiritual practice for this, a dhikr that brings peace. Among the beautiful names of Allah is
Ya Salam, Ya Salam.
This means the one who grants peace, the source of all tranquility. When this name becomes part of our daily remembrance, it begins to soften our hearts and heal our relationships. Whatever misunderstanding or tension exists between spouses, this dhikr can help dissolve it. Recite
Ya Salam, Ya Salam
336 times daily for 41 days. This is not just about completing a number. While reciting, your heart should be fully focused. If you are facing difficulty with your spouse, keep their image in your mind and intend that the blessings of this remembrance reach them. This creates a spiritual connection. Insha'Allah, with sincere faith and consistency, even hardened hearts can become gentle, and distance can turn into love. This same dhikr also carries another benefit. After far prayer, if you recite
Ya Salam, Ya Salam
131 times, Allah grants 3 special blessings. Your faith becomes firm and steady, even at the final moments of life. Your knowledge increases, and your memory improves. And Allah protects you from unexpected harm and sudden difficulties. Before beginning this practice, remember something essential: make sincere dua. Turn to Allah with honesty, with a clean heart. While reciting, keep your focus only on Him, without distraction. That sincerity is where the true power lies. If you continue this regularly, you will begin to notice gradual change in your life. Resentment fades, love grows, and peace returns to your home. Insha'Allah, this small act can bring a meaningful transformation. May Allah bless our relationships and fill our lives with love and peace. Ameen.
Life. Don't forget subscribe for more Islamic wazifa. Click bell icon for notification. Share it if you feel good this.